Hello, right, today we are making
make your own lip balm.
You excited?
Yeah.
Right, it's only for 7+, but yeah, she's over 6 and we'll let her get into it really. So in you get.
I'm nearly 7 though.
Right, so comes the glam activities. Where are the instructions? Oh, recipe zone.
The recipe is how you make it.
Right, so you got your basic balm instructions in there. How to make it, how to scent it, mix it together, and then put it into a balm pot.
Is this the balm pot?
Safety tips. No, that's the balm. These are the balm pots.
Do you have to lay it set? You have to lay it set, Mum.
Yeah. Ah.
You have to lay it set.
Yes, you will do. You can make chocolate lip balm. So to make a chocolate lip balm, you melt 2 or 3 chocolate chips and use them instead of the strawberry drops. But you could use cocoa powder, so you can make a chocolate one if you wanted.
Oh, Mum.
But it won't look so pretty on your lips.
What, having a brown one?
Yes.
And brown.
You can make a vanilla one.
Can we make strawberry and vanilla?
Vanilla. We'll see what we have, yes.
What's in here?
Or you can actually, and it gives you sweet recipes with honey. I'm not going to do honey because my child will eat it. A basic lip balm.
It smells like so many strawberries.
Right,
so. Can't wait. Boom, shaka, boom. There's actually water in here. It's pink.
It's strawberry.
Strawberry water. It's pink.
Right.
With that. Oh, can I pour it in?
I'll put a few drops of this in.
Can I put a few in?
Hang on. Why don't you use the stir and start mixing it up? Because that is a jelly at the moment, so you need to break it up a bit. So get going.
Oh, jelly. Oh no. Why do you have to break it up for the jelly?
Because it's set at the moment and we're going to add stuff to it.
Well, so you have to get it all wet and sloppy.
I know what you might like. Hang on. You want pink?
Yeah.
Red will be a deeper colour.
For what?
For your lips.
Oh.
You want red? Right, so I'm a bit of a fun mum.
I thought it was a bit of chocolate.
Katherine thought I was going to give her chocolate, but actually, you know what? I'm going to give her a bit of food colouring, a bit of red food colouring, not much. Just to give her lip ice a little bit of a tint.
Why are you using the end?
So I can't get the spoon in it. Right, mix it all.
Hey, that food.
It's food colouring, so it colours up your food.
Hey, this glue or something.
No, it's petroleum jelly.
Ew. You're not allowed to eat this or you'll die. I think. Or you'll be sick.
No, you'll be sick.
Oh. Now what do we do? Mix?
Mix, keep on mixing. I've got a feeling my little girl is going to spend forever putting on lip balm now. Come on then, mix, mix, mix.
They're ready. Can I smell it? Can I smell it?
Of course you can, right. I can't really smell the strawberry.
No, I can't.
So we're going to add in a few more squirts.
No, do we mix?
And mix, mix, mix.
If we still can't smell it, do we have to use more of that?
Well, the thing is, the problem is if you use more of that, you liquefy the jelly that you've been given.
When you don't want that to happen?
Well, no, because if you've liquefied the jelly, you can't put it on your lips, can you?
You have to put it in the bin.
Yeah.
Oh, this is dark. What do we do after stirring it?
No, you leave it to set.
And then what do we do? Then we put it in that little box.
Mmm.
How long will it take to set?
I don't know.
All the constructions?
Probably just a few hours.
few hours. Hours? That's a long time. Hours. Hey, is hours actually a long time?
Oh, that smells better, doesn't it?
Boom, boom.
Mix, 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 and then that is done.
And then what do we do?
And then you go off and do something else.
What do we do?
I don't know. But we keep this book and we'll try another one later. Oh, that smells like a strawberry now. Smell?
Oh, yeah, it does.
That does. Right, shall we put it in its pot?
Yeah. Can I put it in? No.
Right, so how quickly do you reckon this pot is going to be emptied?
So quick.
My money is on she is going to empty it.
In minutes.
Yeah, hopefully not minutes. Maybe within a week. That's another way of putting lip balm. Like you nick my lip balm that looks like that. Right, and there we go. We will leave these to set in the fridge for an hour. Meanwhile, little one has some activities to play with in the book.
Can I do word search?
Yes, you can do the word search while we're waiting.
I want to do word search.
And then an M. So, the lip balm has set. Let's see what the little miss thinks of it. Why don't you smear some on your lips?
Hey, this is for hand lip.
No, it's for your lips.
What, so you have to put it on your finger?
Yeah, a little bit on your finger and then smear it on your lips. Oh, I don't know about you, but I think that is very pretty. Did you enjoy that, sweetheart?
Yeah.
Good.
I got it on my skin too.
No, you want it on your lips. Does it smell nice? So, we will be back again in about a week's time making more lip balm. What do you think of that though? Did you enjoy it?
It looks so good and it's really good.
Good.
Can I show Daddy?
You can show Daddy. Have a fantastic week and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye. I'll see you next week for more lip balm.